Entrepreneurship Leadership Accelerator is a summer program, and we are bringing students to learn how to communicate effectively, learn how critical thinking works, and collaborate with others.
It really prepares you for what you need to know in the future. College readiness, presenting yourself, gets you ready for interviews and filling out applications. And overall, it's just a great experience.
Today was really about walking the students through the Strengths Finder, a tool that helps them look at their strengths, their sort of innate talents, and how they deepen those talents so that when they get to college, they can focus on things that help them to become successful.
They will have a few workshops. One, they're going to discover their strengths and how to leverage that. There's also a communication workshop that they will learn about presentation and how they can leverage their communication to get ahead. And there's the college application workshop where they will be able to meet a dean of admissions of colleges around Boston area and ask questions and really understand the process here in the United States.
At ELA, we're looking for risk takers, students who know how to leverage their strengths and use it to create genuine impact, and that comes from not solving problems for people but with them.
It really defines who you are as a person, and it helps you pick out certain things that can make you shine out against other people in life and your application in college or your job or anything really.
I have a chance to meet professors from Harvard, a university that I have always dreamt to be a part of that community. I have a chance to make a lot of new friends that are so awesome. I'm gonna miss this program. I want to be here next year or even next month. I want to be here every single day because I feel like it's really helpful, really helpful.